What's up internet? In this video I'll show you how to set Neovim options using Lua. Make sure to install the nightly build 0.5 version Neovim. Otherwise you will not be able to use Lua in the stable release, which is 0.4. Okay, let me go to the configuration file. I'll open it using Neovim config and vim init.lua. If you don't have this file, just create one. So in the table you can see these are actually a bunch of Lua comments. This is how you would add an inline comment in Lua. This is the Vim script way to add, set numbers, for example. Then you have Lua equivalent to the same thing. Okay, let's set numbers using Vim script way. I'll do set number. They will enable numbers. To disable them, you can usually use the keyword no before the option. That will remove the numbers. So let's do the Lua option or Lua API. I'll do Lua command. After this you can run any Lua statements. Let's do vim wo number. Let's set it to true. You can see numbers are enabled. To disable them you can pass false. To make things permanent you can add it to the configuration vim wo number true. You don't have to have the Lua before the statement because this is a Lua file. Okay, let's save and quit. When we open it next time you should have numbers. So now let's talk about these different levels available. We have O, WO, VO. Then we go to a guide called Neovim Lua guide. You'll find link to this on in the description. Let me search for options. So as you can see we have different levels: global, buffer and window. These are the APIs to set and get options. You don't have to use this because there are meta accesses. These are really easy to read. Does the same thing. So this is what we used before. So again we have different levels. So before setting an option you need to find out in which level that option is available. I actually don't know how to a proper way to find out that, but what I would do is I'll go to Neovim and I'll do Lua. I can print vim, let's try O number. This will print the value or return the value, then it will be printed to the console. You can see I got an error because there is no an option called number in global level. O is global. Let's try buffer level, BO. Again I got an error. This time I got a kinda detailed error. Number is a window option, not a buffer option. So let's try WO in window level, and now we have the result printed out the console, no errors. So that means number is available in the window level. So that's how you would add or set options using Lua Neovim APIs. That's it. Thanks for watching.